guys, Cody Smith here at Airstream of South Florida. I got a fun video for you today. I've had a lot of requests to do this one. It's the dreaded Airstream manual awning. It's not as hard as it seems once you get it down with a little practice. It's actually kind of fun. Okay, without further ado, let's take a look at the step-by-step easiest way to operate the Airstream manual awning. All right, the first thing you're going to want to do is unlock this guy right here. That step's a lot easier if these cups are still securely in place. Do the same thing on this other side. Next up, you're going to take your aluminum awning rod and put the end of that, the hook end, right into that little loop and give it a pull. Once you can reach this strap, go ahead and set your awning rod down and move to the inside of the awning. Grab this little flap. Everything's a lot easier if you stay on the underside of the awning. So you grab the flap, and from here, you'll be able to reach this locking arm. This hook right here goes right inside this tube, in between the tube and the support arm. Once that's in place, you grab it and chuck it like a spear. You'll hear that click, and that locks it in place. Then you come over to the other side, and then you do the same thing with this hook. Now I don't have to hold it because that one's locking in place, that's holding it all out. So let's say the scenario, you're not heavy enough, you're not strong enough to get this to lock from here. This part you can do from the outside. You stand like this, grab it with both hands, and just lean back until you hear that click. That's an easier way to do that. Then still from the underside of the awning, grab the tube and release the arm with this little knob right here. Release and push up until you click. Then to get it to go even further, if you can't reach the tube, make sure you grab this portion of the arm and you can click it out even further. You come over here and roll this guy up. I always suggest doing this before you adjust the other side, just because you won't be able to reach this unless you're north of, I'd say, 6'3". Then you come to the other side, you do the same thing, release the knob, same place, push up on the tube until you can't reach it anymore, then grab the rod and pull it up from there. To take the awning down, you just follow those same steps, but in reverse. I want to show you another configuration that some people don't know about. It's called caravan mode. All right, caravan mode starts out the exact same way, but there's one big difference. I'll show you. Now, lock this arm, and then come over to this one here. We're going to put it in place, but we're not going to lock that one. We're going to come back over to the arm that we locked and unlock it. Now, you get on the outside and hold the awning strap, roll it up until it stops. Once it stops, you can tuck the awning strap up into the tube. And this configuration is used for if you're parked in an area where you can't quite get the whole awning out, because it is a fairly large awning. You still want some shade, some protection from the sun. I hope this video has been helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe. We'll talk to you next time.